Hello everyone, welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. Yeah, your trusted place for clear and simple technology guides. In today's tutorial, we'll walk through how to turn off the auto-download software update feature on the Samsung Galaxy S25. This setting is useful if you prefer to control when updates are downloaded, helping you save mobile data and avoid automatic downloads while you're busy using your phone. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is where you can manage most of your device's features, including security, apps, battery usage, network connections, and system updates. Next, scrolling and seeing the software update. Tap on it to open the Update Settings page. This section allows you to check for new system updates, schedule update installations, and control how updates are downloaded. Inside the Software Update menu, see the Auto Download option and tap on it. This setting controls whether your phone automatically downloads new software updates when they become available. After opening the Auto Download menu, you will see several options such as Wi-Fi only, Wi-Fi and mobile data, or never. To completely stop automatic downloads, select the never option. Once selected, your Samsung Galaxy S25 will no longer download updates automatically, giving you full control over when updates are installed. Thanks for watching Quantum Tech Lab. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful Android tips, smartphone guides, and easy tech tutorials to make your digital life simpler and smarter.